Austin's police chief a clear message this morning when it comes to police use of force.
They approved a number of items on police reforms. They include a goal of zero racial disparity in traffic stops, changes to APD tactics, including chokeholds and strangleholds. They also passed an amendment that prevents officers from using sound cannons as a weapon. They won't add any new officer positions to the upcoming budget, and they'll eliminate any positions that they can't reasonably fill.
Joining us this morning is Mayor Steve Adler. Now, Mayor, last night the City Council voted unanimously that it had no confidence in APD leadership. Does this mean that you and the rest of City Council want a new police chief?
Well, I think different council members are speaking publicly about this issue differently. The resolution that we passed said that there was no confidence that the leadership was going to be able to move to the kind of cultural change that we need. Absent the City Council taking the kind of action that we did yesterday to initiate this. Obviously, different council members on the dais have spoken to that issue differently.
Now, Mayor, is there any indication when this change happened? Because we know that after the Austin bombings, there was open support on Chief Manley's leadership.
Well, again, I think that as you're looking around the country, you're seeing a new movement, a new moment as police departments around the country are being asked to look differently at the systems and institutions. And that's what the council was asking for yesterday. There are some members of the council that have specifically called for the chief to resign, but not every council member has. And our charter has real clear rules about whose responsibility that is and whether or not council members should comment on it. That's ultimately a decision for the city manager to make.
Good morning, Mayor. This is Amanda. Our Sally Hernandez interviewed a retired APD officer whose son is on the force, and he criticized your leadership during the protest, saying you should have been out there with protesters and you chose not to because of the pandemic. He said his son and other police officers do not have that luxury. How do you respond to that?
Well, it's a tough call with the pandemic. I was, in fact, out at the Black Lives Matter rally at Houston Tillotson. And this is yet again one of those cruel moments that have been caused by the virus. This is obviously a really important moment in time, and I thought it was real important that I be out there at least once. But I am very concerned about the pandemic. Throughout the pandemic, we've had our first responders out, health professionals, and we're all indebted to those first responders, and then the economic first responders that have been out, that have been stocking the grocery shelves. We're indebted to them too. But those people who can avoid going out need to do that as we're beginning to see the numbers climb with respect to cases and hospitalizations, and it's a real concern.
Mayor Adler, I was out there during those demonstrations. I saw just how close the protesters were to the police officers, literally face to face. And so I'm wondering if you think it should be mandatory testing for all those APD officers for COVID-19.
Well, certainly at this point, every one of those APD officers that would like to get tested can get tested. All they have to do is sign up to get it. It's free. You can call in. You can go online. It takes just moments. And we're encouraging everybody who went to those protests to also get tested right now.
Mayor, of 4 days this week, all 4 of them have been the highest number of new COVID-19 cases that we have seen. So do you think our hospitals are in any danger of reaching capacity?
I am concerned that we're on that path. As a city, what we said is that we could, the warning sign for us would be if we got to a 7-day average, where over a 7-day period of time, we were averaging over 20 new hospitalizations a day. The numbers we got yesterday showed us at 14.8. Just a week or two ago, we were bouncing around between 8 and 10. So the fact that we're at 14.8 right now is a real concern to me. If we get to 20 for a 7-day average, then the doctors and scientists tell us that we're on a path to our hospitals getting overwhelmed. The 1-day number that's driving us to that 7-day average, we now have 2 days in a row, individual days, where we were over 20. And if that stays, then our 7-day average will stay over 20 and we'll be in that place. So I'm urging everyone, if they want the economy to continue to open, which we all do, and we want to avoid our hospitals from being overwhelmed, people really do need to wear their masks, their face coverings. They really do need to social distance, keep that 6-foot distancing out. And remember that this is not over. This is still something that is very much with us.
All right, and with that said, Mayor, a lot of people come to our city to take in the entertainment atmosphere. That's no doubt there. So are you worried about bars going up to 50% occupancy today?
I am concerned about bars going up. I'm concerned about restaurants going up. I'm concerned about those things because the governor has real clearly said that he wants people to social distance. He wants people to maintain that 6-foot distancing. And again, the governor and the lieutenant governor recommend that people wear face coverings, but we have a lot of people that are out living their lives as if the virus was over, and that's not true. So yes, it's a concern. It would be less of a concern if people would wear the face coverings, if people would stay and then maintain that 6-foot distancing.
All right, Mayor, we appreciate you taking the time to join us on this Friday morning.
Thank you both for the invitation.